has a range of about 60 miles. It's designed as a utilitarian boat. That means you can go fishing, you can go water skiing, you can go camping, you can go picnicking. You can do everything you want with this boat. It's designed for the family to have fun in mind. It comes with a boat, motor, trailer package. This boat can run as low as $280 a month. That's half the price of my cell phone. So think about all the fun that you can have aboard this beautiful boat this summer. We're located at 627 Boston Post Road. We're MarineMax of Westbrook. Our phone number is 860-399-5581. That's 860-399-5581. Please call us and inquire about this great boat. There are very few available on the market, and it's a worthy investment by a boater. Thanks for watching.